Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off sound effects on the Darts of Fury application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. This will take a 5 minutes when the application is uploading. Click to the profile icon at the lower left corner of the screen and go to the third option, the settings. In the settings section you can find the second option, the sound effects, and if you want to disable, just click to the circle and pull on the line and on. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.